habits. You need to break yourself up if you want to speculate. Let's get right back to
Now, if we take a look
ineffective
at, like I said,
speculators.
his name
Other thing they do, they buy cheap stuff. I'm back,
Why is
and
that?
I got 5 more bad habits. You need to break yourself up if you want to speculate like a pro. Let's get right back to ineffective speculators. Other thing they do, they buy cheap stocks because they assume every
cliche is that if you don't
natural
learn
gas,
how,
those are not
you're
specific, right?
bound
You're not
to
just saying
repeat it.
those are
Let
natural
me
resources.
take you back
So
a
with
little
everybody,
bit.
and you now have the Bank of
Essentially
Japan,
between
Bank of England, America,
1914
Chinese
and
apparently
1920, we had
loosening up
bank
everybody
deposits
is
double
now
the size.
loosening the
So
money
we had
supply, printing money.
Hi, I'm Max Kaiser. This is the Kaiser Report.
We also had a relatively low discount interest rate where banks borrowed from the federal government. It was a lot more important back in the
Shortages of nearly all commodities developing and I'm going to make money in the commodities. If the economy does get better, print a lot more money, place to be, and we'll have
I was just saying, I told you this has been happening for weeks. All we do is search stuff online. And we use several different search engines, but start page stuff just proxies. And if someone in the world is watching us, right, we hope they do because it's watching us, learning that they're being poisoned when they see our searches, rather than documents saying they're killing us. Of course they can't have me on air dominating. And I'm dominating all of the web now. We're being censored everywhere.
Everything in the world
I have confirmed that people are
maybe the US dollar will go up initially, but probably everything would be hit in the shock that made it worse. So I own gold. I'm not selling my gold.
The crash of Lehman Brothers. It was a discussion on my side of the former chancellor.
What the Fed is doing is simply guaranteeing that
Most people don't understand
the 0% interest rates prevent.
And perhaps you know Venus Project, you know the Free Gold Charter organization, you know perhaps the books and the stories of Gene Roddenberry, Star Trek, where we live in a world without money. I can tell you it is possible. But the problem we are facing is how can we get there? And all that we have to know is it happens in our minds. We have to push the right switches and then we will find the path.
Hello everybody to another FM Signals info show video edition. My name is still Damir Galic from good old Germany. And today I want to give you another crossway technical analysis and synthesis for the next another 48 hours. And I'm choosing the New Zealand dollar Yen. Here is it. So analyze the stuff again, it's still yours. Okay guys, it's Wednesday, 21st March 2012, 17:51 European time, or for example 12:51 in New York, and yay, yes, Thursday morning 5:51 in Wellington or 1:51 in Tokyo. Okay, here it is, New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. 5 minute chart. Interesting. Well, the reason why I'm choosing this is here we've got the high in the New Zealand yen here last week. Yes, it was last week. So and this week. So how do you say? How should I explain it? It was. Oh no, it was this week. Start of the week, excuse me. I was wrong. Here it is. Here. Oh, okay. Was my default. However, here the reason why I'm choosing is this. Here's the weekly development, and what we are seeing here is I've got it more memories. However, here, however, that's the high of this week. So, and yes, and since this week we've got lower prices here, and my trading capability for today even is that we are perhaps go a little bit lower this week. So the yen, of course, on the bigger time frame, I'm still accepting slightly lower yen. So, but perhaps until the end of the week, and perhaps start of the next week, we could see or this trading capability target even is, in this case, New Zealand dollar yen, a slightly higher yen or stronger yen. Not in every cross trade by the yen, not in every New Zealand dollar, but in this one. So why? Let me shortly explain. Here we see, okay, target here, new lows. Okay, why? Let me shortly explain. Here it is. Okay, here's the high of the week, the first downside trend, here the second one. So A, B, C, D if you want. A, B, C, D, E. And yes, here we've got it since for a few minutes. I hoped that we fall down, then we can sell into a falling market, but in the last half an hour, we've got something like a turnaround even on the lows. On lows round about 68. So interesting in my opinion is here the first low, AB if you want, ABC. So here round about 68.43 by my broker, and I would still accept here for higher prices, and then would be for me an short selling area. Why? Because even I'm thinking that here this downside pressure should be much stronger even than this buy area. Of course, we are staying in an upside trend, but perhaps we could, or I'm thinking it's time even on the lower, on the longer time frame, even to buy the yen. Okay, I tried it, if I'm not wrong, in the pound yen last week also, but failed. So, and yes, now I'm trying back in the New Zealand dollar yen. However, okay, but analyze the stuff again, it's yours, like I say, every day or every time. But watch the yen cross rates against another 12-1 in case by case. So I wouldn't say generally buy the yen here for 1, 2, 3 days perhaps, and then sell it again. So okay, yes, what to do, or what's the target here? What to do? I would still, if you want to wait, you can also sell it at once, 68.60 or 90 here, even for new lows. Here's the first target, new lows, or wait here a little bit higher, so you can take 40 pips with it. So the stop would I make here, if we broke this line, then we've got, in my opinion, a new scenario. Then I would delete this video of this actually scenario and acceptation, even for lower prices. So, and if we should fall back here from the above side, from round about 68.70 down to 68.40, I would still until the end of the week sell this cross rate. So even for new weekly lows. Here perhaps the reason why I would sell it here is also here this upside trend. Of course, it was in here a little bit squeezed out. We could also create, by the way, I don't done it here perhaps, here was the low, then we've got here a great short capability, but yes, however, so I'm thinking that's here enough, he would be a great opportunity ever. But of course, you can also go short at once. Interesting, or a reason here, I'm choosing also the weekly and the daily time moving average, and we see here about or above these twos here this consolidation this night European time. So, and yes, gives me, in my opinion, much more support to sell. But of course, you can also buy, and then if you're thinking, and go long. So it's a high speculative trading capability. So, by the way. So, however, analyze the stuff again. It's still yours. I would sell 60. I would sell at Wednesday, 21st March 2012, 17